Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to be doing the same basic thing, but we're going to be rounding to the hundreds place, okay? So we're going to start off on our number line, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with the rule that we used yesterday, okay? So let's say our number is 374, okay? So we need to figure out what hundreds place what two hundreds this number is between. Okay, so we're going to look here and decide what hundred goes here and what hundred goes here. Okay, and once we've figured that out, then we're going to find our halfway point, and then we're going to plot our number. Okay, so I'm going to do this example, and then I'm going to give you a number and I want you to try it, and then I'll show you what it is. Okay? So we know that it's going to be in the 300s, so our first one is going to be 300. Okay. 300. And our next 100 is 400. Okay, and then halfway would be 350. Okay, 374 is going to be about here. Okay, it's closer to the 400. So 374 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. Okay. So that's how you would do this on the number line. I'll give you one more. I'll have you pause the video, try and work it out on your own, and then come back and see if you got it right. So I want you to try I want you to try 524. Okay? So I want you to try that one. Okay, so now let's check your answer. Okay, so you're going to be between 500 and 600. Okay, your halfway point is 550. Halfway point is 550. And then you're going to go ahead and plot your point. So that would be about here, right? 524. Okay. So that's going to be closer to 500. Okay. So now that we've showed on the number line, now we're going to use the rule that we learned yesterday. Okay? It's going to be the same rule, we're just going to use a different place value. Okay, so let's use the number 436. Okay, so if we're rounding to the hundreds place, we're going to find our place, right? So mark your place, and we're looking for the hundreds place, so mark your place, look next door, right? Okay, so we're going to look next door. 5 or greater, add one more. Okay, well, it's not greater than 5, so we're going to leave this alone. Okay, so the numbers in front stay the same. There's nothing in front. Bring down the place value. And numbers behind zeros their name. So 0, 0. So 436 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. Okay, I'll do one more, and then I'll give you one to practice on your own, and then I will let you do your own on Seesaw. So I want you, or I'll do this one together with you. So do 565. Okay? Mark your place. Look next door. 5 or more, add one more. So 6. Okay, nothing in front, so numbers in front stay the same. Bring down your number. Numbers behind, zeros their name. Okay, so 565 would be 600. So rounding 565 to the nearest hundred is 600. Okay? Okay, so I want you to do this one on your own. I'll give you the number and let you pause the video, work it out on your own, and then come back and see if you got it right. So I'll let you do 156. Okay? Go ahead and try that on your own, and then come back when you've finished and see if you got it right. Okay, so let's work this one out. See if you got it right. So, mark your place. Look next door. 5 or more, add one more. So you're going to add 1. So it's going to be 2. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zeros their name. So, 156 rounded to the nearest hundred is 200. Okay? So, on your seesaw activity, you're going to open the activity and you're going to see a box like this with 6 numbers. Okay? There's going to be a little thing down in the corner that says add pages. I want you to add a page for each one of these numbers. Okay? And then you're either going to do the open number line, like we started off the video, either open number line or the way I just showed you with following the rules. Okay? You get to choose which one you want to do. And for each page, for each number, I want you to do another page. And then come back to the first page, this page, and use the little text box to write what that number rounds to. Okay? And I wrote all of that out in the instructions, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. So I can't wait to see all of the rounding that you do, and you're gonna do great.